What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix alarm no sound issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all open clock app. Now go to the alarms tab and then tap on alarm and then tap on this alarm clock option. Now from here select a sound. So if you will select silent, your alarm will not make any sound. So from this list you can choose any sound to set as the alarm sound, and after that the no alarm sound issue will be fixed. But if you have disabled this button of alarm, then your alarm will not make any sound on the set time. So tap on this button to turn it on, and after that the alarm will start working properly and you will start hearing the sound of alarm. Now after this, if you are still facing the issue, then check for the mobile software update. So for that, open settings, tap on about phone, and from here tap on software version, and from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software, the alarm no sound issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the alarm no sound issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.